This is my simple 2-braid puffed out hairstyle tutorial. Check it out. So for me, I find that with braiding, there's really 2 ways to go about it. You could either have your hair slightly wet, so a little damp, or you could do it completely dry. I find that when you do it dry, it's easier to grab hold of and easier to keep its shape. But if you do it wet, you could at least detangle your hair the best. My hair kind of gets tangled even if it's brushed out dry. So right now I'm gonna braid my hair with a more damp texture, just to make it easier on myself. With that being said, I am gonna just part my hair in the middle and just go all the way back, because it is gonna be 2 braids. And I'm gonna section this one off right here like this. From there, I'm gonna just take a whole clump of gel, some edge control, and I'm just gonna put that right on my side, right there, just to make it easier for me to grab as I use it. I like to always just part that first section and then just take my hair and slowly braid, because I am not the best braider. My sister actually was the one who used to cornrow my hair growing up. She used to braid it. And she would be able to do all these intricate designs in my hair. Majority of the time she was just better than a lot of salons, in my opinion. And I'm also biased because I never had to pay. Okay, and you want to go kind of all the way down, and then that's where you're going to take your scrunchie and you're just going to tie off that end. Just like so. And any loose ends, you're gonna just take the gel, kind of brush it in. You're definitely also gonna take some of that edge control and just gonna take your edges, brush that down, and just smooth it out. Kind of like that. Okay. So that's it. And then this part, I'm just gonna let it dry up a little bit, but this could be where you put in your curl cream, curl conditioner, and just have that in there. In the meantime though, I'm gonna just braid the other side and also do the same where I have this band. We'll cover this band in a few. I just want my hair to dry up a little bit. And once again, if you have any curl cream or conditioner, this would be where you'd put it. So from here, underneath, you'll take like a very little piece, very thin, and just kind of wrap it around to hide the band. So just like that. And you could usually take a bobby pin just to hold that in place, but I'm going to do that on the other side. And I'm once again just going to take it from the bottom. Just wrap it all around the band. Just like that. And I'm going to just let my hair dry, so give it 1 second. So this is kind of the result. My hair isn't 100% dry, but as you can see, it kind of gives that puffed up braid look. Of course, if you have extensions, you can make it fuller. You could do multiple designs at this end, but for the most part, this is simply just the regular 2 braids, just with a puffed out end. It could work for straight hair, it could work for curly hair, it could work if you have hair extensions, it can work for like if you want like extra designs. Let's say you want your 1 braid to come out into 2 or 3 or different arrays of color. It's all there and it's all available to you. So thank you. I hope you liked. Let me know how it looks on you. Let me know if the tutorial was easy for you. And that's it. Bye. Ooh, that was cute. This is my